Aviation buff. I hope everyone's having a good day, week, and month. Something I wanted to talk about, bring up a suggestion to aviation museums out there. Now, there are a lot of people in the warbird community that think that a warbird has to be restored 100% before it can be put on display. That's everyone's thought process, right? And that's fine. But I think, here's a suggestion. My thoughts is that I think aircraft can also be put on display as is. Aircraft that are being parted out or whatnot should be also put on display. I personally like aircraft boneyards. I don't know about you. I like that nostalgia of an aircraft boneyard and seeing old airplanes out in derelict condition. I find those airplanes just as enjoyable to look at and find a fascination with than the aircraft that are actually restored fully. And I don't understand why there's a lot of people out there that don't think those derelict aircraft are worth being put on display. But my suggestion in this video today is that go ahead. I think those derelict aircraft could also be put on display as is, even if they're missing some parts, a wing and whatnot. I think cockpit sections are a good idea. I think all that stuff should be saved. Yes, so my suggestion to aviation museums out there is nothing wrong with putting aircraft on display that are as is and are not restored. There's a lot of aviation museums in foreign countries outside of the U.S. that do display aircraft as is in dioramas or whatnot. But in the United States, aviation museums don't do that as much. I'm not sure why. But you know what? Instead of thinking of that aircraft out in the field as just a part bucket, let's bring it inside for display as is. It doesn't matter if there's some parts missing or whatnot to it. I think those airplanes themselves should be put on display, and I think they're just as fascinating to look at in their original state than a fully restored aircraft as well. So just my suggestion to aviation museums out there, don't scrap those old airplanes you think are too far gone. Bring them inside and put them on display. Make a display out of them, you know. That saves them a little bit, and that's what we should be doing. I just love airplanes a lot, and warbirds particularly. And I hate seeing people thinking these airplanes that are derelict aren't worth saving and they need to be scrapped. And a lot of them are getting scrapped, and I think it's a huge shame. Bring them inside to the museums and get them put on display as is. It's better to have them displayed as that missing parts than having them scrapped. Once they're scrapped, they're gone, and that's one less type of warbird in the world today. That's my suggestion to all aviation museums out there. Let's save all those airplanes. Who cares if they're not restored fully? They don't have to be restored fully. Get them inside on display. If they're missing parts, so be it. That's you know, I like boneyard aircraft too, and you know, it's a way to save the airplanes. Who cares what condition they are in? Let's get them inside, put them on display, and save them. Let's not scrap them. Anyway, that's all I have today, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And also, please check out warbird.com. Now has a whole lot of new warbird merch and more coming soon. We got model kits, new t-shirts, modeling supplies. Like I said, more items are coming soon. And also, please check out Warbird Bunker Trading Company Facebook page, where there's regular updates on products and news. Highly suggested, and also there'll be some discount codes occasionally posted for discount sales at warbird.com. So please check it out. Helps saves aviation history and helps keeps aviation history alive, right? With that, everyone, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Keep them flying, right?